Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how can you change speed of the video in Capcut. So let's start up the process. Open your Capcut app. Now take any video from your gallery or your project. Now here this is the video. Now if you want to change the speed of this video, tap the first option at the bottom of the screen, Edit. Now tap on second option, Speed, at the bottom of the screen. Now here are two options, Normal and Curve. If you want to change the speed of this whole video, tap on first option, Normal. Now from here, if you want to decrease the speed of this video, scroll back, and if you want to increase the speed, you can increase the speed from here. For example, at 2x, tap on tick. Now the speed of this video has increased. Go back. Now if you want to increase the speed of this video from the selective area, then tap on curve. Tap on first option, Custom. Now if you want to increase the speed from here, tap on this dot and scroll up. Now here you can see speed of this video from here is increased. And if you want to decrease, scroll down this. And after that, tap on tick option at the bottom of the screen. Now you can see video. So if you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.